to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up virtual machine with UTM on Mac. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply install UTM from your Mac's official app store. So you can simply go there and type in UTM. Now once you do this, you can simply download the UTM software or the official website of UTM right over here. So if you're going to download a file that is DMG, simply double click and drag the UTM icon to your folder. You can also go and simply type in UTM download for Mac. And once you get this, you can simply download this virtual machine through your Mac's App Store or simply get it on your website. After you have done this, you can create a new virtual machine. Simply click on the plus button in the UTM window to start the new VM creation wizard. Now either choose Virtualize or either choose Emulate. Select the operating system you want to install, example macOS, Windows, or Linux. For the installation, you can either provide an ISO file you have downloaded or let UTM automatically download the necessary installation media. After this, you need to configure the VM setting, start the VM and install the OS and you're all set. So this is how you can simply set up virtual machine with UTM on Mac. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.